stretch, this diagonal stretch. Right hand forward, left hand back, ekam, and left brick shifting back. Place your palm and then from here hold. You can increase the height of the brick if your toes are not coming flat on the mat. You can increase the height of the brick, 2 height or 3rd height, 2nd height or 3rd height, placing your toes on the floor, lift the chest, lift your chin, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now from here shifting the weight to the toes and lifting and rounding. So you are about to leave the ground. All of you raise the brick. All of you raise the bricks. You are about to leave the ground, engaging your core muscles. Press the brick and see you are not doing this direction of the brick. Class? Yes. That will not fit on the palm. Left, left, left. Press. Ekam. Dve. Move the right foot off. Only move the right foot off the ground. Move. Right foot off. Point the toes. 2, 3, 4, 5. Change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Inhale and come back. Exhale, release. Sit down, class. So what we were doing, okay, when we put our bed sheet after washing, when you want to fold it, what we do it? Can any one student come? Yes, ma'am. Indu ma'am, please come. So how to fold the bed sheet? What we do? 2% together, है ना? And then this stretch, side. No, not this. Slant, diagonal. Yes, diagonal. Stretch, stretch, stretch. This diagonal stretch. We were doing the diagonal stretch. Did you identify that? And once you stretch the diagonally, one is pushing, another one is going away. And that's how you are increasing the distance and engaging the core muscles. Identify again, change the leg, go back. From the first previous move. See, I am grounded in my household work and all that physics is coming in your class, and that is how the study has to be done. सही बोल रही हूँ, गलत बोल रही हूँ? Change the leg. Starting with the first point. Press both your feet, shift the weight back, work on your hamstring, press the hand and lift the chin up. The hands are pressing, the chin is up, both your feet, complete sole on the floor. Engage your glute muscles, shift the weight back, press the hands, lift the chin up and hold on. Ekam, dve, trini, keep lifting up, chatvari, pancha, shat, sapta. Rounding, press the hand around, press the toes, keep rounding. Strong arms, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Lift the foot, 1 foot off, and engage the slant, diagonal extension. Change, 1, change, 2, change, 3. Come down. Inhale, lift the head up. Unwind. Now, your thighs are engaged and glutes engaged. Shift the glute back. From here, hold your side of your hamstring, the thighs, holding here. Roll the shoulders. Move the toes off. The toes are off. Knees are together. Glute muscles back. And then from here, Namaskara forward. Drishti at your Angushta. Focused. Ekam. Good job. Dve. Trini. Chatvari. Pancha. Shat. Sapta. Ashtav. Nava. Dasa. Raise the heels. Raise your heels. Elbows out. 1, 2, 3. Now keep your hands towards your Sambhavi and see that you have a space to see from within, from this finger space. Yes? Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Open the hands wide. Hold. In Jnana Mudra. Ekam. Dve. Trini. Chatvari. Pancha. Shat. Sapta. Stomach on your thighs. Stomach on your thighs. Shift. Shift. Heels are raised. Shift. Hands back. 1, 2, 3. Heels pressed and hold on. Hands up without interlaced. Stomach on your thighs. Ekam. Shift down. Hands up. Dve. Trini. Chatvari. Pancha. Shat. Sapta. Ashtav. Nava. Dasa. From here. Inhale. Bend the knees. Inhale. Bend. Extend. 1, 2. Bend, bend, bend. Only if you have a knee pain you can do this. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Inhaling. Come back. Exhale. Inhale. Urdhva Hastasana. Exhale. Left hand forward. Left hand forward. Right hand back. Your left toes on the mat. Heels are up. Extending and lift. 1. So this knee is going towards your hand. 2, 3, 4, 5. Right hand forward, left hand back. Ekam, dve, trini. Right hand to left knee. Use your middle finger, catch to lift. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now from here, change to the position of Virabhadrasana. Shift down, point the toes, point, extend the hand to the bricks. Virabhadrasana 3, hold. Ekam, dve, trini, chatvari, pancha. Left foot forward, outer, left brick. Shift the right foot to the right side. Both the bricks is standing. Left foot is forward. Inhaling and lengthening. Ekam. Dve, exhale, shift down. Right palm inside, shifting to the left side. Right palm shifting to the left side and left brick shifting back. So see, I have kept brick back but not on the mat. The moment you keep it on the mat, you will become congested. So holding here. Ekam, dve, trini, chatvari and pancha. Inhaling, coming back. Keep the brick in front of you and bend your front knee. Take the left foot back. Do this. Your left foot, your left brick in line. Press the brick, lift up. Ekam. Dve. Trini. Chatvari. Pancha. We'll reverse the sequence. Change the leg. Hold. One whole sequence we'll do in a reverse order. The one who is leaving, please do the other side, sir. First, ekam, other side. Dve, trini. Press. See, you are not doing this. Lift. Chatvari. Pancha. Straighten the leg. For that, the back foot has to come slightly forward. Hold. Lift the chest up. 1, 2, 3, 4, moving away. 5. Start moving down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,